Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a photo on Capcut. So first, open your Capcut. Once you're on the home page, tap on New Project. Then select the photo that you would like to edit. In my case, I'm going to add this one here. So tap on the photo on the trackboard, and then you can do remove background. You can also add filters. So they have various options of filters in here. Once you're done applying that, you can just do tap the check mark in here. You can also adjust the photo, the brightness, contrast, saturation, and whatnot. You can do enhance if the photo that you're editing is a photo of a person. You can adjust the face. Here, you can adjust the body and reshape everything that you want to reshape. Go back on that. You'll also have an option in here to add on animation on this photo. You can add this here, and then for outro you can add rotate out. And that's how to edit your photo on Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.